Hey y'all, I'm Kris and this is it Worth It, y'all? And I haven't gotten ready for the day, but that's okay. I want to take you guys along for a little trip with us as we tackle food while we're on the road. So I'm editing the video now, so I really hope that you like it. We kind of go through a little bit of what we pack, and I'll try to put together a printable so I can put it down below, because Greg and I have realized that as we finished that trip that we missed a few things. So as we go through the video, I'll make sure I get a printable link down below. That way you can see what we pack to make sure that we can eat on the road on a budget. So stick around. I hope you enjoy. So Greg and I are road tripping, and we wanted to kind of show you what we do to save money when we road trip, especially when it comes to food. So we have a carrier for the top of a car, and we've got 3 totes where we bring our kitchen with us. And so our main cooking device is an Instant Pot. And we bring all the gizmos and gadgets that go along with the Instant Pot. This is our pantry, and that is our refrigerator. And we're going to eat out of these for the next 7 days. Features of our pantry is we bring these bowls, plates that are like the plastic. I think we got these at Sam's Club, and we got the bowls to go with them. So they are not ceramic. They're very light, but they're very durable, but not microwave safe. As far as our pantry goes, we literally throw everything in here. Towels, paper towels, pot holders. Usually everywhere we go, we have a Keurig. You know, I'm a bag lady, so we got to have a bag of bags. And then all of the non-perishables outside of the bread and the tortillas. Let me dig in here. Oh, I can smell the apple cider vinegar. It must be leaking. Oh, it got put on its side. Oops. It smells good though. So yeah, so see, these are all the rest of the non-perishables, and obviously you got to have the essentials. So yeah, that's it. Comes to our refrigerator, we're very, very particular about how we do our refrigerator. Obviously all the produce goes on top, but here's the kicker. We have these little teeny weeny ice packs that work really, really well. And as you can see, we have like decanted all of the sauces and things like that. So instead of having an entire thing of salsa, we put it in a smaller jar. And instead of having a whole entire gallon of milk, we put it in a smaller jar. And so we do this for pretty much everything. Look, Parmesan cheese. The other reason why we like doing this is because everything becomes stackable. Let me see if I can find my other jars. They're down in here somewhere. Let me dig through here and I'll be right back. Okay, so we have salsa, mayo, mustard, ketchup, barbecue sauce, and our strawberry jam. Now, this has been extremely helpful because why? When you can stack them in the cooler, they take up way less room. And I don't think we're going to go back to just bringing the whole bottles. I mean, because look how much little space that takes up in a cooler. Instead of bringing the whole bottle of ketchup, the whole thing of mayonnaise, the whole thing. Especially if there's just 2 of you like it is with me and Greg. That's all we need. And this is, excuse him, this is your pro hack for this video. Decant and stack. These are the 4 recipes we're working on. We ate this last night. Instant Pot, creamy shells and beef. And we got this from the Spicy Southern Kitchen's website. And all 4 of these actually came from the Spicy Southern Kitchen's website. I made notes on how I modified it. Tonight we're going to do Instant Pot pulled pork. So before we got here, we created this little spice rub pack, and let me go get it. This is another hack. We're going to need taco seasoning for one of the recipes, so we went ahead and pre-measured that. We pre-measured the cornstarch, and then we did, this is for our pulled pork, so I need this packet of seasoning for our pulled pork. So tonight we're going to have the pulled pork, and this is from the SpicySouthernKitchen.com. And before we left the house, we actually created the spice rub. So we took all the ingredients in the spice rub and made it ahead of time so we're not dragging all these ingredients with us. Then we brought our pulled pork that we already had cooked out of the freezer as a freezer meal. I've got olive oil, got me a Coke, and then apple cider vinegar in a teeny weeny jar, and some barbecue sauce, which is actually our barbecue sauce. And we're going to follow the instructions and eat a really nice meal from the Instant Pot. And I'll bring you back whenever we're ready to serve. And this is why I love an Instant Pot. There's a pulled pork sandwich. And here is the steamed broccoli. We just got it started, so it's going to take a minute, but yeah, we're rocking and rolling. Even with very, very limited kitchen space. All right, y'all, I hope you enjoyed this video. We sure enjoyed this meal. It was fantastic. And even in a little bitty kitchen with not a lot of space, we still pulled it off and enjoyed it. So like, comment, and subscribe if you haven't already. And until we see you guys on the next video, bye, y'all.